Good day everyone, my name is Arslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have another residential project that I've completed recently for one of my clients, and as you can see we have a residential house here with a basement and a sort of a roof picnic area, you could call it that. And the plot area we have is 42 by 40 feet, and on the side we have a small garden with it and an entrance towards the front. And as you can see, we even have a basement in that, which is around 3 feet below the ground level, right? So a basement with 3 feet below the ground level, which is used as a car park. And as you can see on the rooftop, I've made this picnic area, which is accepted by the client. And this design is accepted, so that's good news. And this was a proposal actually that I had sent him. And you can see we have this wooden facade or this wooden design in on the front of our house, the front elevation. And this is the ground floor. After that we have the first floor and then the roof. So it's a G+1 residential house, right, including along with the basement. And we have these stairs in front of our house. So the basement is 3 feet below, and then the usual the 9 feet floor to floor distance that we have. And as you can see, we have these decor sort of plants on the front, and we have another rooftop terrace design that we have. You know, this wooden sort of a ceiling, let's call it a wooden rooftop decor. All right, I think that's a suitable word for it. And I've even I'm gonna edit more the terrace part. I'm gonna edit it more, but this is only for initial presentation purposes. And let's go back to Revit to further check this model out. And this is you could say the stairs or the connection between the first floor and the rooftop, right? So, and then I think I'm even going to add a fence around this area. So let's go to Revit to check further this model out. Alright guys, so we're inside Revit, and so this is the model that we previously saw. Let's go to the realistic view, and so this is it. This is our entire model, and these are low poly elements, so that's why you can't see the full shape of them. Alright guys, so let's add a railing, which I initially talked about. So let's go to architectural and railing, and let's just pick lines. So okay, I think. And this is the railing that I just installed a few seconds ago. I think it looks good now. We do need a railing on the top. And this is the wooden the sitting terrace. Similarly, who wouldn't like a good workout on the roof, huh? Check this guy out. And this is the main the connecting stairs between the first and the roof. So, and this is the main the shaft, the stairs shaft, which is quite dark at the moment. And this is towards the basement, and that is the main the exit outside, right? So as you can see, once we enter our house, so this is the first floor, this is the ground floor hall, and this is the basement. So the design of it's quite nice. I really like it. And this is our main car park, and I've even fixed the footpath here. I think it has to go a bit down. Right, so this is the residential house project which I recently completed. I thought I would share it with you guys so that you guys could give me some feedback on it. And this is our main shaft, or it's quite dark inside. I think I would have to add a few lights. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something from it. And this design is passed, right? So our client accepted it, so that's good news. and stay tuned with us for more interesting civil engineering and 2D and 3D design videos. And do let me know if there's a particular topic that you want me to have a video on.